Gadget World for the best technical advice.
Hello and welcome to Gadget World, your one-stop destination for the best technical advice. In the year 2020, we've been seeing a lot of smartwatches coming into the market, and the market is almost getting saturated. And that is one of the reasons why we've been seeing a lot of manufacturers getting into the smartphone bandwagon. So the traditional watchmakers like the Titan have been getting into the market, and we've been seeing the manufacturers like Mi, Xiaomi and Realme taking a huge chunk of the market. And we are bringing into you the latest entry into the market, the Fastrack Reflex Beat. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this device. So this product sells for a cover price of rupees 2,195. In the offer season, you might get it for a lower price as well. So right now it has a cover price of 2,195. It's written clearly over here, and it comes in this transparent hard case. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So I have this knife here with me, and this is first time I'm unboxing it. Let me open these parts and let's see how it looks like. So it looks like I need to, okay, I haven't got through it. So I'm setting aside this hard box at the side for the moment, and here I have the device itself. Let me check. So I'm getting rid of the whole covering that we have here. So initially I thought it's switched on, but it's a printed matter over here. It comes with a OLED screen, and it looks reasonably good. It kind of gives you a premium feel. And it has a plastic kind of a casing, and the strap that you have here is a rubber strap, and there is no option to change the strap as of now. So this comes fixed, I think, but I think you will be able to get other straps which you can maybe interchange. And on the rear side you have this heart rate monitor sensor, and you have two other metal parts for the charging part. And it is CE certified, and it's IPX6 certified, which means that you can take it out in the rain. You can even take it for a swim, but still it won't get damaged by water. So let's keep it aside for the time being, and let's see what else is inside this box. So when I open it, the reason why I'm taking this out is because we have a sticker over here, and it kind of suppresses what's written over here. So inside the box I don't have anything else apart from the charging cable. So it is a normal USB charging cable, and it has this magnetic attachment to it. So what you need to do is you just need to take it out, and when you bring it here, it simply snaps onto the smartwatch. I should be also seeing some kind of manual to it. So this is the only user manual I get with this device. So it has the basic information like the handling and care, water resistance, and battery case. So you don't have a warranty card inside, which means that you need to keep your bill for the warranty. To avail this warranty, you will get up to 1 year of warranty, and they have also written the terms and conditions of warranty. So everything else related to device, if you want to get to know how to use this device, obviously you need to get to the website or see a YouTube video for that. And it also has a price tag of 2,195. So that's about it. So we'll keep aside everything else for the time being, and then now we'll take a look at the device itself. So finally we have switched on the device, and as you can see, this comes with a OLED display, which is almost like an display which gets switched on every time you touch it. And it does not come with a capacitive touch screen, but it does have a button which does not give you any tactile feedback, but still it's kind of easy to navigate through the options here. So all you need to do is touch here or swipe here, and it will take you to different options. And apparently it's not that responsive as we can, but what I'll do is I'll try tying it on my hand and take a look at how it looks like. So it does have a metal hooks attached to it, and it is almost reminiscent of the normal Mi bands that's available in the market right now. And it's kind of lightweight, and it gives you a very comfortable feeling when you're at it. It almost makes you forget that it's on your hand right now. Now let's take a look at all the prime features of this device. So once you have this device, the next thing you need to do is install this app for it. For installing this app, you can go to Play Store or the Apple Store, App Store, and get the Fastrack Reflex app. So I have installed it on my device, and this is how the apps looks like. So it gives you a welcome screen, and it asks for access to all your sensors all throughout the day, and you need to punch in your mobile number and get registered. So once this app is switched on, it gives you an option to make sure that your band display is turned on. So I'm turning it on right now, and I'm clicking on the OK button. So right now it's showing as no device found. I'm hoping that, yeah, so finally it has already detected the device. So once I select it, it gets paired to it automatically. So it's a one-time process. Once you have it done, then you don't need to do it every time you switch on your device. And this gives you a battery life of almost like 4 to 5 days. That is what is claimed by the manufacturer, but we are not yet to see how long it lasts, but we are hoping that it will last for at least 3 days time. And it takes around 3 hours time to get it fully charged. I think I apparently selected the option not to pair it. So let me try pairing it one more time. So I'm pairing it right now, and pair and connect. So it has given me a pin code which I need to punch into my app. 821158. Nowadays you don't see this process in all the Bluetooth pairing process. So as you can see, my fitness tracker is attached to my phone right now. Now it is giving me options to fill up the profile, so I'm skipping all that parts. And it's also giving me an option to update the firmware, which means that the firmware which came out of the box is kind of outdated. So I'm skipping it for the time being, and I'm accepting the policy. So it takes me to this particular screen, which it gives me all the steps, the calorie count, and all the kilometers I've traveled during the day. So, and it almost gives me a small tutorial of how it could be done. So this is how the home screen looks like. You have the BPM, that it tracks your heart rate every 5 minutes. So if you want, you can set the intervals to a larger interval. So let's say if you're sleeping for 8 hours a day, make sure that your heart rate is monitored throughout the day. You can set it for 5 minutes or half an hour's time. So when you wake up, you'll get the entire sleep tracking details and analytics on this particular app. There is also an option to connect it to Google Fit app. So if you're already a user of Google Fit, all you need to do is to attach this app to the Google Fit app, which means that you will be able to track all the details, all the data connected to this smart band through your Google Fit app or the Fast Track app. And it also has a leaderboard like all the other smartwatches that you see. So if your friend also have the same watch, you can always have a competition with them and keep a track of each other's activity and get on top of the leaderboard. If you look at other features you get with this watch, it has a complete full-time on heart rate monitor. It has sleep tracking, so every day you will get the details of how the number of hours you had, your deep sleep and your normal sleep. And it also has a camera function, so if you enable it, you will be able to take photographs with the camera option here. But the only thing is that you won't be able to use your default camera app. The Fast Track Flex Reflex app has a camera built into it. You'll be able to use that camera, which means that you won't be able to go to the manual settings or make use of all the camera options that you have in your phone. But still, for the price you pay, you're getting a reasonable offering. So you get a well-built fitness tracker, and it's from a reputed brand like Titan, which of course runs Fast Track. So that's about it in this section of this episode. So we'll be back with another gadget in the next section.
Gadget World, for the best technical advice.